Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting into cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or penetration testing, Linux is the ultimate toolkit you need. But you don't need to wipe your main operating system to use it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it inside a virtual machine, right? Using VirtualBox. It's completely safe, free, and takes just a few steps. And by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Linux environment to reflection. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. Before we start, we need to download two free tools. First, head over to this URL virtualbox.org and download the latest version for your host OS. Now I'm going to click this download button, right? Right, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or whatever it is, right? And there's the VirtualBox extension pack also, but I'm not going to download it right now. Just click on this Windows first, since I'm using Windows 11 right now. Right, I just already downloaded that file, so I click this OK button, and it'll be downloaded soon like this. Just close it. Second, we need the Kali Linux image. So go to this URL, kali.org, right, and click this download button here. Yeah, then you choose a platform. Actually, we have two main options here, right? The installer images and the virtual machine images. Today, we are going to use the pre-built virtual machine option. Why, actually? Because it's incredibly fast, it's a pre-configured file, so you don't have to go through the lengthy manual installation process. We'll download the file. Right. Now here, since I'm using VirtualBox, I'll click on this file, right? And just click start download, and it will be downloaded. And if you prefer to use this VMware option also, I mean, you can download the VMware workstation, and you can get this file. But since I'm using VirtualBox, I just downloaded this file. And once your download is complete, right, so I'll just move on to this file explorer download section. And here in the compressed section in my machine, yeah, I see the Kali Linux file is it's a 7-zip file, right? You need to install WinRAR to extract this to your computer. And if you don't have WinRAR, you can download it easily via a browser, right? Then now I'm going to click on this extract to Kali option. Right, now it's extracting, and it will take some time for that. It's right, the time takes depend on your processor speed like that, right? Right, okay, now the extraction process is complete. Now you will see this folder, Kali Linux. Just click on it, click on this also, and you will see this VirtualBox file and the .vdi file, right? To run these files, actually we need to install the VirtualBox setup file, right? So now I'm going to install it. Yeah, I'll just head to this programs folder, and here you will see the setup for the VirtualBox. Just double click on it. Yeah, and the setup will appear like this. Right, okay, now just click next and just accept this agreement and click next again. Next. Yeah, you will see this warning, right? Network disconnection, since it is installing some files, right? So we just click yes, and you can keep these as default, or you can change these settings, right, if you want, right? I'll just click next and install. Yeah, it's it is installed. Yeah, I'll just click this finish button. Now you'll be greeted with a screen like this, right? A window like this. Okay. Now the setup is easy. Just close this, right? Now just go to your downloads folder, compressed text section, and Kali Linux folder. To this Kali Linux folder, yeah, you will see these files, right? .vbox file and the .vdi file. Actually, what we are going to do is, this is the most easiest step. We just double click on this file, VBox file, And there we go. The machine just imported to software, right? And there are other ways too, right? I mean, you can open the machine from here, right? But I guess the method I did was the easiest, right? Okay, whatever. Right, now the machine has imported. Uh, right, before we start, we have to tune some settings, right? First, select the Kali Linux machine and then click on the settings gear icon, right? Okay, now what we are going to do here is first we'll go to this general section, and here just scroll down for a little bit. Here you will see right motherboard and the base memory, the RAM that you can allocate for your virtual machine. I'll just increase it up to 4096, so that will be a 4 GB RAM, right? And I'll just leave other settings as default here, and I'll just go for this processor. And yeah, there are the number of CPUs, right? CPUs, and I'll just increase it up to 3. Yeah, this thing is depend on your processors and the power of your computer. If your CPU allows it, bump this up to at least 2 or 4 cores for a much smooth experience. Okay. Now let's go to this display section, right? Display section, and this video memory, right? Just increase it up to 128 megabytes, right? So why I just increase this up to 128 MB? I mean, it will stop lagging, right? Those glitches inside the virtual machine. And right, so that's it. We are done. And I just click on this OK option. All right, I just minimize this window. Okay, now is the moment of truth. So see the Kaldias machine and just click on this start button. All right, yeah, it says for NVM up. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes. Yeah, there we go. Right. Since this is a pre-configured file, we don't have to go for that lengthy installation process, right? Now all the tools are installed by default. Oh, right, there we go. This is a beautiful login screen, right? Okay. The default username and the passwords are both Kali, right? So I'll just type it, Kali. I'm sorry, it's Kali. And again, Kali, right? Then just click on this login button. Yep, there we go. Okay, so welcome to Kali Linux, right? You now have a complete isolated penetration testing lab running right inside your desktop, right? Happy, right? Yeah. Okay. Right, okay. The very first thing you should do now is open up the terminal and run the magic command, right? What is it? Sudo apt update. We run it, and the default password is Kali. All right. Right, now this will ensure all your tools are up to date, right? Okay. And this is it. Now, during the installation process, if you faced any issues or errors, right, during setup, drop a comment down below and I'll help you out. In the next video, we'll explore essential tools inside Kali and how to configure a custom network, right? A lab environment, of course. And okay. Right, okay, now within my machine, all my packages and tools are up to date, right? Right, okay. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials, right? And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.